Okay, and I help people live the life that God wants for them. Now, why you're not where you want to be? First of all, you're not being truthful to yourself. You don't even know what you do like and what you don't like. And the thing keeping you from even finding out what you like is that you have someone else's opinion that is higher than yours, whether it's your society, your community, someone who loves you, even someone who may be your parent. For some reason, their opinion is being held at a higher regard than you have of yourself. Another thing is that you don't even have that training in you that you're allowed to have what you want. You've been trained that when you want things or when you go for things you want, there's punishment. Either punishment towards yourself or towards others, or bad things happen. How does this supposedly happen? What do you mean I've been trained to not want things that I want? First of all, when you were young, at some point, you did go for what you want and things went to hell, or something happened, or you were blamed that you don't do that. This is not what we do. So from that point on forward, your subconscious has learned that you don't go for things that you want because bad things happen. Is this something that can be reversed? Absolutely. Now, everyone's always saying, how can I be happy? Or how do I have a happy life? Or go towards things that make me happy? First, that's the wrong question. You are asking, how can I be fulfilled? Happiness is an emotion, it's not a state. You can always be fulfilled whether you're happy or not. Another thing, you can be fulfilled even if you don't have everything that you want, because that's life. You're not always going to have everything that you want all together at the same time. There will be some things that are not entirely 100%, but you will be fulfilled. You will wake up fulfilled. You will go to sleep fulfilled, smiling and excited because you know you've conquered your day. You've ultimately used every bit of your life in that day to conquer the world, to conquer the things that you were made to conquer. So what is the question? How can I be fulfilled? First of all, you need to write down things that you like and don't like. And I don't mean on a surface level, things that you value. Are you living within your values? Is your life leading you towards things that you actually desire for yourself for the rest of your life? Not just today, not things that you like temporarily today, for now, but forever. That if this was your life, every day, forever, from this on point on forward, you will be fulfilled. You will be content. Your cup is filled. Your spirit is happy. Stop punishing yourself. You deserve the investment to sit down with yourself, get to know yourself. You can't possibly know the vision of your life when you can barely know what's happening tomorrow or today, when you cannot see where you're going. There is no point in that. You need to imagine yourself being somewhere 5 years and 10 years onwards, and today should be building on towards that. And the simplest way is simply writing down your values and working towards that. And it's scary. It's not easy. It's not easy to actually go for what you want. It's not very aesthetic. And shockingly, not everyone will agree with you. Even the people that love you. It's not going to look great. It's not going to look conventional. It's not going to look pleasing to how you were trained to be. So go for it. Stop punishing yourself.